Hi guys, it's Jackie from the basement. Happy with a twist, Acrylic Pours Plus. Welcome to November 2025. I am back. I don't know for how long. It's been a hot mess. I've been a hot mess. But we're going to see what we can do tonight. I created this little figurine with mixed mold. And it's three little... What are they? Those things. You know what I'm talking about. My mind isn't here. And we're going to take some paint, pour them over that, and see what kind of a design we can get on this 10 by 10. So let's get our colors ready in a cup. That doesn't look too great, but hey, I just came down here. I'm doing laundry. I'm like, I've got to do something other than just sitting up there fretting about everything. So first we're going to add some white, and I hope this continues taping. Oh, and yep. It's been so long I've forgotten which ones do work and which ones don't. Okay. I've got a clean sweater on. Of course, I just got out of the shower, so yeah, that's why I seem to do these things. Let's add some white to here. And I thought, well, I'll come down here and clean. No, I want to paint. I want to paint. We have Apple Barrel True Navy mixed with the ever wonderful Floetrol. Here we go. I have not mixed any paint, so what I'm using is what I got, and that's all I got for the moment. What else should we put in here? Should we put in some... Boy, I am limited on these colors here. I tell you. What color are you? You're metallic sapphire, which may bring cells. I can't guarantee a darn thing anymore. I am having, until New Year, a sale. Buy one, get one half off. You gotta pay the shipping, guys. So I'm trying to find a site where I can show you everything that I have. But I don't know. I don't know where that will be. So, if anything you've seen on here, you've seen me video, just ask me about it. It might still be available. Just comment down in the comments. We are putting some, what do we put in there? Folk Art Color Shift Emerald Flash. Okay. Let's put some gold into there. Why not? Let's jazzy it up a little bit. I hope everyone is doing well. It's been a rough year for a lot of people. Rough. Alright. I should put on some gloves, shouldn't I? Roll up the sleeves. I don't think that's going to be enough for this. So we'll go and add some more white. Alright, that should be plenty. Alright, let me find some gloves. Whew. Talk amongst yourselves, guys. Talk amongst yourselves. Oh, dear. Oh, that's a dirty one, but you know what? Dirty ones work. Dirty ones do work. Can we find another one? I don't know. Oh, my. Oh, come on, get over the ring. Thank you. You're welcome. All right, can we find another one in here that we can just pull out? Okay, we got a few dozen of them. Alrighty. Oh, yes. Always a little bit extra with me. Sorry about that. Okay. Washer, please continue running, please. Here we go. Alrighty. And I already have this semi-leveled. Semi, I said. Yeah, semi. Up with the sleeves one more time. And now, let's just pour and see what happens. Here we go, guys. I was trying to look for something to put underneath this. Like one of those little pizza bobbers, that little stands they put in your pizza box. Darned if I can find it, though. Darned if I can. And I have still lost my marbles. For all I know, they could be in the trash. I don't know. I'm not going through the trash to look for them. They'll either turn up or they won't. I didn't want to do a blow up because I have to go over there and plug in my blow dryer. It's like we're going to do what we can do. Alright. And this is looking very nice. This piece of, yeah. I'm just going to try and take it up here carefully. Eek. It will continue running. Oh, that looks neat. Remind me when I take you down for a close-up to show you that. Alright. And we're going to try and put a little bit of texture into here, something. I'm just trying to find my instruments. I am so out of touch with everything down here. It looks like the earth, doesn't it, right now? Looks kind of neat. Let's just take some of these. I don't know if it's going to do any good or not. It's been a long time, guys. Slightly out of practice. Need some swirlies in here. I want to thank you guys so very much for sticking with me. It's just been a lot going on. A lot. Alright. Do we need some white around the edges to extend things? Possibly. I haven't been watching anyone painting lately. I just haven't. So, trying to go by memory. And here we go. Let's tilt. Oops. For anybody who likes blues, this might be the one for you. And let's try and get that one corner over there just a little bit more. There we go. We've got paint there on the glove. Let's take these off. Oh, I hope that paint sticks to the ceramic piece. Darn it. Okay, alright. Let's take a torch to this. My air conditioner went out, had to have that replaced. My car is out of the garage. And what else has happened? So much has happened. I think I wrote it in my post. You can read all about it. Yes, it's been chaotic. One thing after another. Alrighty. We're going to bring you down for a close-up. Okay. And put your seatbelts and helmets on, please, because here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Right. This is turning out quite nice, I think. Be even nicer when it dries, probably. You can see the green in there. That's nice. There's more of the green. Okay, it's looking pretty dope to me. Ooh, here comes some gold. Yay. And there's also some gold there. Okay. Okay. I am quite pleased with this. And let me sit down here for a moment so I can show you the little figurine. Yeah, it looked better, darn it. It might need another coat. We will see what it looks like when it dries. But I want to thank you guys so much for joining me. Again, for sticking with me. I am hoping to be back. So we will see what happens next. So everybody take care. And give me a like if you think I deserve it. And if you haven't yet, please sub up. And I'm still working on that darn giveaway, aren't I? Everything's just gone to, you know. So I'm sorry to put you guys behind on that, but there will be a giveaway at some point. So you guys take care, and we will see you next time on Happy with a Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. Bye-bye for now, guys.